everyone. This is Preeta. We are seeing 7th standard Maths, chapter 4, decimals, exercise 4.2. In the last video, I have uploaded up to 4th sum. Find the quotient of. Okay, now in this video, I am going to upload from the 5th sum. Find the quotient of 0.765 divided by 1.5. We are seeing from the book Maths side 7th standard. Okay, chapter 4, 4th decimal. Here 0.765 divided by 1.5. How we are going to divide this? Whenever we have decimal in the denominator, this is 0.765 divided by 1.5. We first need to divide the decimal number. Here we have one digit after the decimal, so we need to first multiply by 10 into 10 by 10. So here now the decimal, when we are multiplying by 10, decimal will be more 7.765 divided by 15. Okay, now the decimal has been removed. So 15.0, which is nothing but 15. Here 7.65. Now we need to divide 15, 7.65. We need to divide 7.65 by 15. Since we have only one decimal point, 7 before the decimal, we can keep the decimal after dividing the number. Okay, so we will consider only the numbers 765. 15 divided by 765. 15 into 5s are 75. Remainder 1. 15. 1s are 15. 0. So the final answer is 51. Here the decimal point is after two digits, 7.65. So we need to keep the decimal point after 2 digits. So it will be 0.51. So the answer is 0.51. Okay. Now we are going to see the second sum. 0.666 divided by 1.11. We have two digits after the decimal. So we need to multiply by 100. 1.11 into 100 by 100. Whenever we are dividing, the divisor should not have any decimal number. That is the reason we are multiplying. Okay, so when we multiply, the decimal point will be moving 2 steps. So 66.6 divided by 111. Now we need to divide 66.6 by 111. 111 divided by 66 by the decimal point will be moving 2 steps. So 66.6 divided by 111. Now we need to divide 66.6 by 111. 111 divided by 66.6. So here we don't have 3-digit numbers. So first we need to take the decimal point and consider all the 6. 116 into 6 are 666. So the answer is 0.6. Okay, or else we can just consider only the numbers. 666. 666 is 111 divided by 666 is 111 into 6 are 666. So the answer will be here only one digit after the decimal. So we need to keep it as 0.6. Now we are going to see the third sum. Whenever I do the division using the decimal sign, I always used to divide the numbers and then keep the decimal point at the end. It will be easy for us. Okay, so now the third sum. 1.875 divided by 2.5. here the divisor is having one digit decimal, so I am going to multiply by 10. 1.875 divided by 2.5 into 10 by 10. So decimal will be moving one step. 18.75 divided by 25. We are going to divide 1875 by 25. I am first considering only the numbers. After finding the answer, I will keep the decimal point. Okay, so first I am considering first three numbers. Since 18 is lesser than 25, I am considering three numbers. So here it will be 25 into 7 are 175. So the remainder will be 12. 5. So 25 into 5s are 125. 0. So here the answer is 75. We have two digits after the decimal. So we need to keep the decimal point after two digits. So the answer is 0.75. Okay. Now we are going to see the fourth sum. Fourth sum is D. 3.02 fourth sum. Fourth sum is D. 3.024 divided by 0.36. Here we have two digits after the decimal. So we need to multiply by 100. 3.024 divided by 0.36 into 100 by 100. So decimal will be moving two steps. 302.4 by 36. So 36 divided by 3024. Okay. So first we are considering first three numbers. 36 into 8s are 288. So when we minus, the remainder will be 14. We are using the last digit also, 144. Now 36 into 4s are 144. So the answer will be 84. Here we have one digit after the decimal. So we need to keep the decimal at the end. So the answer is 8.4. Okay. Now we are going to see the last sum in this fifth one. E. Here the fifth one is 3.192 divided by 0.2. We have only one digit after the decimal in the divisor, so we need to multiply by 10. 3.192 divided by 0.2 into 10 by 10. So decimal will be moving one step. 31.92 divided by 2. We need to divide 3192 by 2. 2 ones are 2, remainder 1, 1, 5s are 10, remainder 1, 19, 2 9s are 18, remainder 1, 12, 6 are 12. Okay, so the final answer will be 1596. Here we have two digits after the decimal, so we need to keep the decimal point after two digits. The answer is 15.96. Thank you for watching this video. I will upload the rest of the sums in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.